Right, okay, so this car here behind me is a rare cyan blue 1973 LJ GTR. It was actually sold in 74. It was built in the 12th month, 1973. It's got some rare color options on it because it actually has a vinyl roof, which is an ash material, which was actually in the HJ range, 1974 Monaro range. So it's quite an interesting one. It's the only one that I've ever seen that's in this color combination. And I'm right in the middle of putting the front end in it. I've got my brother giving me a hand today, and we're going to put the front end in, and we're going to put the rear end in and get it back onto the ground as a roller. I'll give it a quick wash because it's got some dust on it, and then I'm going to go put a cover on it and put it away because I still need to finish this one here. So this one here, I'm just working my way through, which you'll see. Got all the door trims on, door handles, bits and pieces, doing all the wiring. There'll be another video about that one. And I've obviously got the green one over there that I finished, but there's more coming. Got it on its jack stands. I was actually going to use a scissor lift on this one, but because of the dolly on it, the wheel dolly that it came with, I couldn't get the swing arms in through the wheel dolly. It's not going to happen. So unfortunately I had to do this one on the ground, which is not ideal. I don't like doing it on the ground. I prefer to do my swing arm lift, scissor lift. But anyway, managed to get the front K-frame in, and also got the bolts in for the K-frame, which is sitting in here, but I've got them in loosely because this goes up and down. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna jack this up. You can't put this K-frame in with any bolts or anything protruding out of here, as far as the subframe bolts that hold it in there, and also the crush tubes that go in there. If you have that sticking down, it's not gonna line up with these here. You can only put the K-frame up with these rubbers on, and it will line up with that, and then you can put your subframe bolts in, which are these ones. That's the crush tubes. It's these bolts here. So we're in the middle of doing that right now. And then once I've got this front end on, I'm actually gonna put the front wheels on and lower it down onto the front wheels and finish off the rear end. This shouldn't take a huge amount of time to do, but who knows? Just depends on what wants to fight me and what doesn't. Yet again with these cars, you know, you can have one side go together perfectly and then the other side's just a nightmare. I don't know why, it just is what it is. You know, they've been played around with a lot over 50 something years, but it is a beautiful car. And when I give it a clean at the end of this video, you'll see how good that color has come back again. Anyway, off we go. It's not uncommon for these threads to be a little bit stripped, especially on the back suspension, so it always pays to get your tools out and re-tap them or re-thread them again. So that's what we're doing now. This is just what holds this rear end in on the trailing arm link, and it was really bad, so I'm just turning it around, give it a bit of oil, bring it back just the whole way through so that I can get the bolts on properly. Otherwise, you just stuff it up again, and you'll need to find another one of these. You can reuse these, but you just got to redo the taps. if you like this sort of stuff, don't forget to click the like button and the subscribe button. It's important because that's one of the reasons why I do this, is so that we can produce more content for you. And sit back and enjoy how this one goes back together.